जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Madam, you are coming from
Hyderabad.
date and time of arrival. When you came here,
We came 26th April 2026
time
up to 28 April 2026.
26 April
We-
at 7:30 we have to land in the Hindu Dharmashala, sir. Before that I make a call to one number, but they will give the complete information, sir, how to come in auto and everything, sir. We feel very happy to coming to here. So many members are told outside rooms are available, but we trust Hindu Dharmashala and came to here for protecting my children's kids, ladies and everything. I observe in Google, sir, and YouTube also. That's why we came to here, sir. But we feel very happy and very proud to maintain this type of providing anything rice, chawal and anything other facilities, neat bathroom facilities, everything, sir.
so anybody demand money?
No,
No, sir,
no,
everyone
they
not
did
demanding
not.
money.
They did not.
What of the hygienic facility?
Very
good,
nice,
sir.
very
Hygienic
nice.
facilities, sir.
Safety for women?
100%. 100%.
100% women.
Safety.
Dear pilgrims, please listen. Everyone will come Kanchipuram and come to Hindu Dharmashala
Only.
according to the protection of ladies. Food also by own food. Home food is available in Hindu Dharmashala.
We can prepare homely food and you can eat with neat food and 100% protection with your family. So please come here and you can stay back here. So Jai Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai.
What is our duty to protect our Hindu Dharma?
Man is duty bound to follow and protect his dharma in the world. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Shri Ram.